Welcome to my channel, guys. In this new video I will show you how to create a new Java project using Maven building tool and Visual Studio Code. So first thing first, you need to check that you installed the Java JDK correctly on your machine or not. To do this you have to open the command prompt. And here you have to type the Java space -- version. And as you can see here, I have the JDK installed correctly, which is JDK 19. Now let's close this command prompt and let's go back to Visual Studio Code. So let's click on this extensions button, or you can simply press the Ctrl+Shift+X. And here let's type the Java extension pack. Now we need to click on this first extension. It is from Microsoft. It has been installed this number of times, and to install it we have just to click on this install button. I have already installed it. So, to create a new Maven project we have just press Ctrl+Shift+P. And if you are in Mac, so press Command+Shift+F. Visual Studio pop up the search box, then type create a Java project and select the first option in that. And here we have to select Maven. Then we have to select the Maven archetype Quick Start. So here we will select the latest available version. And we need to provide the group ID. So the group ID is the name of the owner of the application, so I will provide the following group ID. Now let's hit enter. So for the artifact ID, it is the name of the application without the version. So I will call this application first app. Now let's hit enter. And I have to provide the folder where this application will be created. So I will create it on the desktop into a new folder called First Maven Project. Now let's click on Select Destination Folder. But here we have an error. So for more information about this error, we have just to scroll up, and here we can see that the Java home is not found. To fix this we have just to go to the folder where the JDK is installed. So in my case it is on the C drive into a folder called Java. And here I want to use this version of the JDK, which is JDK 19. So let's open this folder and let's copy this path. Now let's close this folder and let's go to the System Environment Variables. Then in this window let's click on Environment Variables, and here we need to check the Java home. So if I scroll down here I can see that I don't have a variable called Java home, so I need to create it. So let's click on New, then I will create a new variable called Java home. Then for the value, it will be the path that I have copied. So let's paste it here and let's click on OK, then OK again, and let's close this window. Now it is necessary to restart Visual Studio Code, so let's do this. Now let's create the Java project again. So let's click on the Explorer, then let's click on Create a Java Project. Over here let's select Maven. Then let's select Maven Archetype Quick Start. We need to follow the same steps we do previously. Then let's select this version. So for the group ID it will be TCS. Then let's hit enter. For the artifact ID, it will be the first app. Then let's hit enter. And now I will select the same folder as before, so it will be on the desktop, and I will select this folder First Maven Project. Visual Studio Code get a little bit time for installing our project. During that time, we see what exactly the group ID, artifact ID, and version are. For this, we have checked out the Maven official website, which is maven.apache.org, and some guidelines and guide naming conventions. Here you see a guide to naming conventions on group ID, artifact ID, and version. So here group ID means it uniquely identifies your project across all projects. This means C when you create your Maven project if you want to submit it to the Maven repository. So from there, you need to find means somebody wants to find your project. So while submitting it should be unique name. Alright. So for that you'll use group ID. The group ID should follow Java's package naming rules. This means it starts with a reverse domain name. What is your domain name? Is your URL maven.apache.org. The website name. So this name should be the reverse of this one you see, or .apache.maven or .apache.com and something like that. Okay. So artifact ID is the name of the jar without a version, means you will submit your project in the form of jar file, right? So what is the name of the jar file you want to put that we can give your artifact ID the version according to your requirement? You can do. I put a website link in the description. If you know more about Maven you can check it out. Now back to the Visual Studio, our project get ready. And this time I don't have the error, but here it is asked to provide the version, so I will accept this default version, so I will hit enter. And also I will accept this package name, so the package name will be the same as the group ID, so I will hit enter. We can see that the project has been created in this folder. So let's open the folder. Now this Maven project is opened, so let's expand first up, and here let's expand source, then main. Then we find this Java class. So for the moment, this Java class belongs to this package and it has the main method to run it. So let's run this and there we go. We successfully created our Maven project. You can build this as you want. If you found this video helpful, leave a like so that the algorithm knows to share this with more people. If you want more content from this channel, hit that subscribe button. Or if I haven't earned you a subscription yet, check out one of these videos for my channel. Thanks for watching and see you all in the next video.